After gathering all users' requirements, the next step is to analyze the users' requirements using UML or Unified Modeling Language. The purpose of using UML is to provide a standard way to visualize the design of the system of the website we will build. For visualizing users' requirements, use case diagrams are used. In this section, we'll look at use case diagrams for both the backend and the front end of the bookstore website. This is the overview use case diagram that describes all the main functionalities of the website. As you can see, there are two actors, the administrator or admin in the backend and the customer in the front end. In the backend, the admin can manage users, manage reviews, manage customer, manage books, manage categories, and manage orders.